From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's cash close, and we're right on it right now. You know what? I'd like to say something's changed here, but it really hasn't. It's been another, and I know that you hate to hear this, but it's been another very, very slow day here in the Dust Bowl. After 6 consecutive higher closes in the S&P futures, not the cash, the S&P has seen its first down day. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1683 even early in the day. The low came in at 1675 even mid-morning. At last, we're 1675 half. We're down 6.7 handles. Total volume, we've got 1.35 million SEPT minis traded. We've got 32,000 big SEPT S&Ps in the pit traded. We've got 600,000 D's mini S&Ps, and we've got 34,000 big D's S&Ps traded in the pit. And literally what that means is that there's only 1,000 S&Ps traded in the pit, and everything else is total spreads. MOC, we had 250 million to sell. Tomorrow we've got the producer price index, we've got consumer sentiment, we've got the retail sales number, we've got the business inventories. And a couple little things real quick before we sign off. One, the Ned Davis statistics show tomorrow as being a very positive day on the upside. And two, what we saw today was on the MIM. If you haven't seen this, you should be taking a look at it. Now, while the MIM didn't do exactly what people probably would have thought it should have done today, it actually started out as more to buy, and as the MIM started to turn down, the S&Ps went with it. So, and just the same, it worked exactly the way it should have worked. That said, you know what? Tomorrow is going to be another day. A lot of numbers coming out, and we suspect more of the same. A little bit more weakness in the first part of the day, and then maybe a bounce late in the day. We'll see it tomorrow on the opening print.